How to redeem Fanatics gift card online. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use or redeem Fanatics gift card online. In order to do this procedure, first make sure that device is connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.fanatics.com. Make sure you already have an account or you register for a Fanatics account. Only then you'll be able to redeem or use your gift card. In order to redeem or use that, you need to use it as a way of payment method for purchasing product. So basically, you'll be your account, you need the product that you wish to buy or that you wish. After done searching the product, now go through product details such as the size, quality, the color and all that information, and accordingly and then add it to your bag or card. So after that, you'll be able to see this option whether to go shopping or to check out. And then want to go with the check procedures. So click on the checkout button. On the other page, you'll be taken to the summary or the last page. Right on this page, enter in your shipping address and all that information. Make sure that you've provided valid information. After that, click on continue to checkout, and next page you'll be taken to the payment section. Now instead of your credit card details, you need to redeem. So after that, on the payment section, you need to scroll down and you'll be able to see redeem code and all that stuff. So what you have to do is basically you need to enter in the redemption code number that will be located on the card. After that, once you're done entering the code, if it seems to be valid, then you'll be able to use it and get a discount on any of these following products. In this way, you can redeem or use your Fanatics gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.